people. I love that. I love that in my head. I feel like I can sing, so I just really don't care how I be sounding. Was I a tenor or alto just now? Because, like, in my mind, I really, really can blow. I really can. Speaking of singing, y'all, I was trying to figure out if I was going to do the song today because, like, family, y'all be putting pressure on me, okay? Sing a song. That's like what I be feeling. It's like, don't do the video without singing the song. Why didn't you sing this song? All of the things, right? So I have a confession. The confession is that right now my snap game is special needs. It sounds more like a whisper. And I personally feel like the song doesn't hit if the snap is not right. And so this is the great debate. This is what the great debate is all about today because I don't know if I can do it any justice. So I'm hoping that if I do choose to sing it, that you guys, will cut me some slack, okay? Because my fingers are not fingering for the song the way that they need to. Y'all, if y'all see me keep looking that way, it's because outside is interesting. Let me just park here for a quick second, cause I want to just talk about the city life, okay? I'm literally looking at my neighbor's front porch, like literally, like they're out there, and they're probably like, "Who the heck is she talking to?" If they can see me, because clearly my blinds are open, if I can see them right, and that's crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay, guys, let's give this a try. Hey, how you doing? It's so nice to see you. I'm so glad you could join me today on YouTube. My name is Deshawn and you're watching Distinctively Deshawn. Today I'm cooking for my husband and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Y'all, did y'all hear the tempo change? It was like it slowed down a little bit and then it sped up a little bit. I don't know. Maybe that was just me. It was like, today I'm cooking for my husband and I invite you to come along. So welcome to my home. Y'all like how I ran that back? I'm totally standing on my tippy toes, y'all, with my 5'2" self. So why am I using a rice cooker? Duh, because I can't cook rice. Without it, it's either going to be mushy or crunchy. This gets it perfect every single time, and that works for me. So what am I making tonight? Some stuffed peppers. I like the red and the orange ones because they're sweet. I am stuffing them with some ground turkey, some sausage, some rice, and some tomato sauce. I wanted to add an onion, but my onion went bad and I didn't have any mushrooms. Otherwise, I would have added that too because that's what I was feeling like. But you use what you got when you got it. Guys, I did wash my peppers prior to cleaning out the middle, and I also re-rinsed them after I finished this part, which I really don't like, just because of all of the seeds that are left behind on the inside. But you gotta dig it out to put what you're gonna put in there. I'm using turkey sausage in addition to the ground turkey, because I didn't want to use beef. I really wanted like some smoked sausage or some kibasi, something with pork in it, but fun fact, my son, actually my youngest two children, do not eat pork. They stopped around the same time. I think my son was about 15 at the time, and he is 23. And my youngest daughter, she's 28. So you can see how long it's been since they've been eating it. And since he may potentially be enjoying this meal with us, I have to make sure I fill it with something that he can eat as well. Y'all, I had to turn the eye down on this stove. My other stove cooks different than this one at the other house, even though they're both electric. And so I be having the eye up too high on this one sometimes. And I was burning stuff up. I'm thinking about stop eating meat too, because meat don't be looking like meat used to look sometimes. I don't know. Is it just me? But I was looking at that turkey like, I wonder if this is really turkey. Nonetheless, I pray over all my food, but I'm thinking about making some changes. I use tomato, basil, and garlic spaghetti sauce for the filler. My son, he likes white sauce over red, but we're doing red tonight anyway. And my rice came out perfecto. Y'all, get yourself a rice cooker if you are rice challenged like me. I'm telling you, it will save your meals, and your family will thank you for it later. Trust me. Ask me how I know. Y'all, another thing, my husband is like a great cook. Me, not so much, but he be hyping me up. That's another thing. Get yourself somebody that's going to hype you up. It don't matter what I make. That man is going to eat it and love it, even though he cooks so darn well his own self. And we are having, I like to call this like an all-in-one, because you got your starch, your veggie, and your protein all in one, right? So you can put your little salad or garlic bread or, whatever else you want to put on the side. But honestly, this is good, because everything is right there. Y'all remember Martin when he was like, I don't know what episode it was, but he was like, hold up. I mean, some of y'all might not watch it, but if you know, you know. That's what I just wanted to say. Hold up. Because, listen, another fun fact, right? Bell peppers are really a fruit, scientifically, okay? In the kitchen, they are considered a starch because of how they taste. They are more savory. Even though, like I said, these red and orange ones are sweet, so I prefer them over the green. So they do have a sweetness to them, but they are generally considered scientifically a fruit, although most identify with them as a vegetable. Now, there's a little food for thought for you. is the fun part for me, and this is big, okay? Because I typically do not enjoy cooking, and they just look so pretty. In addition to that, it is almost time for them to go in the oven, which means we will be eating them very soon. Okay, they are going to be as equally as delicious as they are pretty. The colors are so vibrant, so I'm getting excited. Don't ask me exactly how long to put them in the oven because listen, it's debatable. Like I literally have a big old grin on my face because I like the peppers a little hard. Um, but my husband doesn't. He likes them like cooked through. So if you like them very soft, then you want to leave them in the oven longer. If you like, kind of more so the raw veggie taste, like I do, then you can take them out a little bit sooner. And listen to me acting like y'all don't know how to make stuffed peppers. Like, who do she think she is? Who do I think I am right now? Because, like, I barely know how to make them, okay? Oh, Lord. Guys, we've come to the conclusion of today's video. I really do enjoy hanging out with y'all. I hope y'all enjoy hanging out with me as I cook this quick dish on today. If you're new to the channel, y'all, I'm sorry I took so long to welcome you, but I hope you already feel welcome. That's the goal. Do stick around, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like, share, and comment on the video, family. Until next time, I hope you all have a blessed and a prosperous week. Ciao.